Okay, after doing a little bit of checking, this is what this opening looks like. And this corner has a little bit of a bow in it, where this is lower than it should be. The screws were mostly put in at this angle, so they didn't go up into the upper beam. So they were down that way and down that way. But the installer, by screwing into this side with full force, he pulled the window out of shape. He probably screwed these in first and then screwed these in second. And then he looked like he was really frustrated. So first thing he did was he took it and he cocked it and he shoved it in. That was one thing. If he did it right, he probably could have gotten it square by aligning it with that side. But I think when he tried to screw it in, he got the window pulled out of shape by trying to pull this in on this side. That is not plumb, not vertical. And that sucks. That really sucks. And this explains why it's wider here than it is up here. So this is 36 1/8 and this is 36 1/4 or more. That is extremely disappointing. Now, this isn't off by much. If I go over there and flip that picture frame over that window and flip it over, I'm probably going to find it's square now. So that's the next thing, is to go over to the grass and measure the window. But this is not right. Whoever installed this window sucked.